Hello, you people. Today I will be recording a session about binary options. Basically, everyone asks me if people can really make money or is binary options a fake. So I'm recording a video for today, and this session is with respect to GBP USD. I always trade in GBP USD only because that is what I can backtest, or that is what I have mostly backtested. I usually trade between 12 to 2 p.m. and I trade in the Martingale system. So there is a very simple strategy which I am using, which is Martingale. If at all we have 3 candles, then at the 4th candle onwards I'll start using the Martingale system. So my strategy is simple, to use Martingale system after 3 candles. So here we have 3 candles, and the 4th candle onwards I will start taking the Martingale system. So accordingly, here I have 1 2 3 4. On the 4th candle I have the return I have invested plus the profits. So here I have written all the things. So whatever the amount I have invested, if I am getting around 85%, I have to invest this much. So for every bet it is 1, second is 2.5, third is 6, and fourth is $15, fifth is 35, 88, 219, 548, 1370 on the 9th bet. And on the 10th I have $3,425 which I have invested, and by that time I have already invested 5,709. If I don't get it right on the 11th one, by which I have invested $14,000, I would have lost everything. So I only take till 10 trades. However, till 10 trades, whatever I have backtested, everything has worked. So you can see in the mostly it has not gone till the 10th level at all. It has always stayed within the 7 levels, 8 levels, or sometimes it has gone to the 8th level also. So it is not proof that it will not happen in the future. However, this is what I have actually tested, and here also in 12 to 2 there will be 8th session, the 8th bet which is actually coming up, and yeah, sometimes it has actually come up to 10th bet as well. So I have invested in the 10th bet also. It is very important to keep your calm. Okay, so when you are investing this much amount of money, there is a requirement for you to keep calm. So always keep calm when you are actually trading, and don't trade when you are not keeping well, or your mindset is not good enough. Okay, so here I did not get any level to trade yet. However, I'll get a trade when I have 3 candles giving the same level. For example, if there is green 3 candles here, on the 4th candle I'll start taking my bet. Here I have achieved the profit on the first level itself. So second one onwards I am not trading. Here it took 1 2 3 and 4 fourth level in order to achieve the profit. And let me go back and let me backtest over here. Yeah, here on the 4th level itself I have got the profit if I had traded. Here 3 candles, on the 4th level I have not, on the 2nd level I have got the profit. So whenever we make the profit on the first level, we are getting about 0.85 percent of profit. If at all it is 85%. Over here it will mention if it is giving 85%, or how much profit we are actually making per trade. So if at all we bet $1, we'll get 86% back, that is $0.86. yeah, anyways, that's many people say it is rigged against us to make money. However, we can very conveniently make money. You can see my backtesting, and these are real trades. Okay, see my backtesting. Many days I have made a very handsome amount of money. One day I have made $7, one day I have made $118, one day $48, $22, $65, $17, one day I have made $570, and $21, $18, $44, $24. You can see some days my return will be great. So $458 in just one session, that's like commendable. Yeah, I mean, some days it's good. However, on a regular basis, on a daily basis, if you trade between 12 to 2 p.m. and 7 to 10 p.m. both the days, then you will surely get great enough profits. $39, $39.26, $128, 16, 66, 24, 110. On a regular basis I make a quite decent profits, about $40 to $50 on a daily basis if at all I trade. However, binary options requires a lot of your concentration. You are required to concentrate a lot with respect to the binary options. So it is very much important for you to keep calm, and on a regular basis I have to keep on looking at the investments. If at all I go to the 10th level, I will have to invest 3,425. So it's very much important for me to keep on changing the amount, how much I will be investing in the binary option. For example, if I trade and I did not get the profit on the first level, I'll have to change this to 2.5, and if I don't get it on the next level, I have to invest 6, and if I don't get it on the third level, I have to invest 15, and the fourth level is 35, and fifth level I have to look at the chart, that is 88, and once I get the profit, I'll have to again change it back to 1. So that way it is very important for you to understand that this is not betting, this is complete investing. And if you can see that the market actually goes according to a particular technical analysis pattern, then it is not betting or gambling, it is investing. Okay, so you are investing your time. It is quite easy to understand, however it is quite hard to go back to the each and every time whatever the investing amount is. You have to keep on changing. So it's very important for you to understand that there is a differing investment amount, and it's very important to keep a tab on which level I have actually invested in, because if you don't invest the next level of amount, then you will be losing almost everything, right? And if you invest more, then you will probably lose this also, and because you have not traded this, so you will lose everything if you go to the next level without knowing the previous level. So it is very important to keep the count as to where you have invested. Okay, so that being said, I am not getting any continuous levels. However, I'll wait till I get the pattern. Let's back test from 12 p.m. onwards and see if we have got enough profits according to my strategy. So here we have 3 candles. Okay, on the 7th candle I have the profit. Over here we have 3 candles. So on the first candle itself I have the profit. Over here we have the 3 candles. On the first candle itself I have the profit. Here we have 3 candles. Okay, on the third level I have the profit. Here we have 4 candles, so 3 candles. So the fourth candle itself I have the profit. here 3 candles I have on the second candle profit. See, candles like this are called as dojis, and we don't consider it as positive or negative. So it is not a red or a green candle, so we will not consider this in the trend. So this is a 3 candle, and I have a profit on the first candle itself. Here we have 3 candles, we have first candle profit. Yeah, that being said, here we have 3 candles. On the fourth candle I have the profit. Here we have 3 candles. On the second candle I have the profit. Yeah, we are not getting any signals as such. However, this is most profitable. You can, on a daily basis, you can see these are my backtesting details, and I have backtested it on the trades itself. Everything is on the IQ options itself. Most people ask me if I have IQ options is fake or something. However, it's not, and it's a website, and I don't think there is anything until unless you understand. If you can make money, then this is good. However, it's also possible that you may lose almost all of your money on some day if you are not sane enough. So some days can be really bad with respect to your mindset. So when you are calm, only then you will have to start trading. Some days I have not traded, right? So some days I don't feel like trading, or I don't have that mindset, so I have not traded, because this is the real money which we are actually investing. Okay, so as I already mentioned, I calculate some days there will be 83% profit, some days there will be 85% profit, some days there will be 95% profit and all. So on such days I probably will make more money. So that's the reason I have actually given 83%, 84%. Accordingly, I have calculated how much profit I'll make per trade, and I have calculated accordingly. On this particular day, we had 83% profit. Here we had 85% profit. Here we had good enough 85% profit. Things like this actually work. So on a daily basis, I have always made money with the binary options according to my strategy. Okay, so that being said, the IQ options is great for trading. Now sometimes we have to take the trade at the exact level where it is actually closing, or at the start of the candle. So it's very much important. Sometimes when I'm actually recording, the system actually freezes, so it's kind of we have to keep a tab, and whenever the market is about to end, I am trading in 1 minute candles. Okay, so whenever we are seeing that it will end at the 59th second, I have to be ready to place the bet or the trade. Okay, so if it is higher or lower, I will have to be ready. Okay, since this is the third candle, I am placing the, okay, so I have placed the trade, and I got it almost exactly at the level where it is starting, right? So if at all it does not go according to my way, then I will have to place the next level to 2.5. so I have to wait till it closes. If it closes, it will give me in green that it is a profit. However, if it closes in red, then sometimes it will go just like this. It will go all of a sudden on the higher end. So this is one more issue. You have to, when you have placed one order, you have to go to the next screen by typing this, and there only you can place the level. So here, okay, it ended. Okay, so I could not place it exactly correctly. It did not give me the profit as I expected. It gave me the loss. So that's very important to understand. You have to place it exactly at the start. Since I'm explaining, I did not take the trade correctly, so here I have to place the trade. Sometimes it's very important to keep a tab. Though I am talking, I have to place the order at the exact level or I will lose. This is my real money, so I'll lose the trade. So just a minute, let me concentrate. At the end of this, if it actually did not close in the traded level, I have to again place the next trade. Oh, I did not place the trade at all. Oh, I have, okay, good. I have actually made money, so I had to place the bet, but anyways I did not. So in the second level I have actually made the profit. So I have made 2.15 point profit. I had to place the trade at the highest level where it had to go according to mine. However, I placed it here. God's grace, I ended in green. Okay, you have to this is very important. You have to keep a tab on every tab wherever you are actually trading. So once you have this thing, you can't place the bet or the trade. You have to close this, and only then you will be able to place the trade. And next, if I click on this, I have to change it back to 1 after I have actually taken the trade. Alright, so it's very important. Always keep a tab on how much you are investing. I made a profit, but anyways that was fluke. I had to place the trade exactly at the start and it was actually going accordingly. However, it was a fluke that I actually made profit out of this. That being said, this is the binary options strategy, which people think that this is fake. However, this is the live account which I have traded with, and I have showed you that we can make profit out of it. IQ options is not fake, as well as the binary options itself is not fake. And whenever we are recording, we have to keep a very close eye on the market closing and trade accordingly. So this is the glimpse of binary options actually works. We don't consider candles like this to trade as a trend. For example, if we have continuous 3 red candles, only then we will place the trade on the 4th one. We will not consider anything like this for a green or a red. That being said, this is the end of binary options example trading to showcase that binary options strategy works. And what I trade with is Martingale, and Martingale has higher levels of bets on each and every trade. But anyways, it always works. Whenever I trade, I actually start make money and take the money back. Okay, so after March, I have never actually back tested, because I trade on a regular basis now, so I don't have to. Okay, basically because on a regular basis I know that I am making enough money, and yeah, it actually shows up in the account itself. That being said, this is the end of the binary options trading strategy, and binary options really works. That being said, this is Ashokkumar signing off, and this is the end of the binary options trading strategy or binary options trading example, and that's it for this video. In the basics of stock markets session 2, we'll meet in today's session at 6:30 p.m. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video if it actually gave you at least 2 cents of advice, and thank you very much for seeing this, and subscribe to my channel. Take care, bye.